Never judge a book by the cover. Discover the soul brother with the mechadon, working brunette to blonde. How many Edison con when I respond in full black? With us having the Vernon villains back to back. Amazing grace when I face the great paper chase. For real, it's long overdue, so I don't wanna talk to you. I stroke the hell out of Mademoiselle who insisted every night she get her back twisted in the unlisted. I'm living through my son, so daddy see it this way. I want him in the NFL, his brother in the NBA. No doubt I'm with a piece down in Mecca, all crazy. To the late Eve, none of this is make believe. I breathe.
Okay, so right now we're at the O2 Arena because the O2 Arena is just full of spots. So we're just going to be hitting spots and having as much fun as possible before security or someone else decides to kick us off, which probably will happen at some point today. And if it doesn't, well, it means we get to skate more. So let's go.
Control now, so in the future see me calling the shots. For larger pots of cash, the mini bikes and open mics. I'm blowing up spots for knots in the millennium years. And now I drop it on my peers, brings tears and fears. Another question manifesting my own league. My soldiers wear Versace or the army fatigue. That brings a world of intrigue and glamour to my arsenal of dons. Pimps the players and layers of Decepticons. My whole mind state gravitates a weapon, making people in the business get a misconception. It ain't hard to the core, it ain't sex on the beach. It's just another plateau the brothers have to reach. Emphatically non-cypher, then we were broken, misguided. Try to gas me like Hitler once we get divided. No question, you're dealing with a Mecca affair. So anywhere you wanna go, I'll take you there. So I can make them all respect my fame. When brothers try to count all my chips in the game. Now let me civilize your foolish acts of gunplay. The plan of a stick man, the price and how they get away. Chose for Negroes, the most hypnotical flows on the planet. Another East Coast track roast, goddammit. My theme to mainstream's the knock. The only time I get writer's block is when my Lucci's on lock. Pretty much I'm coming through in the clutch, see. My thought is a bombshell, built to only propel. Or is it just my style of hustle making a mark? To rumble at playgrounds with more danger than Jurassic Park. It was dark when I brought it to the light for spite. My staff got me taking nothing but champagne baths. Now the aftermath's dealing with a Mecca affair. So anywhere you wanna go, I'll take you there.
Skate up that 180 or potentially 360 off. I might just jump off it, I don't know, because I haven't done anything like this before, so it's going to be interesting to see if I can do it. Let's go, let's go. I'm fucking down. No. I was so worried about security. I think they're going to kick us off now. You don't want us to do this here?
Yeah, basically, no worries. We'll get a call from the buildings, they'll mow them.
Alright.
It's just easier.
We'll go somewhere else, mate, no worries.
Cheers, fellas.
No worries, you're only doing your job. So.
You're alright though.
I'll
see you in
Cheers, guys. The nicest security guards I've ever met in my life. Okay, so we're at spot number 2. I don't think security is going to kick us off.
Now I remember in the days of way back with just the 4-track with no SP12 to make track. Wearing other suits and boots was the gear of live bands and
no. I'm going too fast. No. I'm worried about falling out on my ass. My fucking cameraman. You right?
Yeah,
Hey, what hit you?
Nothing, I was just trying to like time the shot.
Fuck's sake, yeah, mate. These things. What I need, ladies and gentlemen, is those lines to fuck off. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go get a JCB digger, and we'll see you guys in a month.
So Sonic Force had the funk and it was bringing it. Then we threw the Houdini sound in the groove with magic on, had it going on. Old school, bringing the freaks out at night. Rappers the light, fly girls and different hip hop, but new light. Pioneers who's giving rappers life and it's help. All praise you and remember that time repeats itself.
Cheers, man. How's your day been? Awesome, man. Oh, that's a lovely day today, isn't it?
The way you jump,
Yeah.
oh, then the way you get down, yeah.
Awesome, man. Have a great day, man. See you soon. See you later. Unless you want to see it again, I don't mind. Yeah? Cheers, man. Thank you.
Run DMC was hitting everywhere with rock blocks. The inner city was complimenting Big Mouth. One loving friends. The 5 minutes of funk, the days would never end. The dynamics were breaking all over town, all over the world. Hip hop made its rounds. Thinking of the Fresh Fest 1, 2, and 3 with the Fat Boys, Houdini, and Run DMC. Looking at the kids with boom boxes on their shoulders, sheepskins, gazelles, other bombers looking bolder. Then LL and Rockin' came to life. One for making us dance, the other insight.
Buddy Chewbacca over there.
The fans are getting bigger. Look what we delivered. You still think that rappers gonna die? How do you figure? Every time you say it's gonna pass, hip hop comes out.